Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer Ethereum to your bank account in 2025. With advancements in crypto regulations and tech, this process is more straightforward than ever, but let's dive in step by step to make sure you do it right. First off, before you start, ensure your Ethereum is securely stored in a reliable wallet. In 2025, options like upgraded MetaMask or integrated bank crypto wallets are popular. Always double-check for two-factor authentication to protect your assets from potential hacks. Step 1. Head to a trusted cryptocurrency exchange. By now, platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or even newer AI-driven exchanges have seamless interfaces. Sign in. Verify your identity if needed. Regulations are tighter in 2025. And deposit your Ethereum into the exchange from your wallet. Next, convert your Ethereum to fiat currency. This is where the magic happens. Use the exchange's trading feature to sell your ETH for USD, EUR, or whatever currency you prefer. Keep an eye on market rates. Crypto prices can fluctuate wildly, so time your sale wisely. Step 2. Once you've got your fiat balance, link your bank account. Most exchanges allow direct bank transfers now, thanks to partnerships with financial institutions. Enter your bank details securely and initiate the withdrawal. Be prepared for possible fees. Expect around 1 to 5% depending on the platform, and processing times, which could take 1 to 3 business days. A quick word of caution: always stay vigilant against scams. Use only reputable services, and consider the tax implications. By 2025, many countries have clearer crypto tax rules, so consult a financial advisor. That's it, you've successfully turned your digital gold into real cash. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto smart.